Hey guys, heavy equipment and small motors on today. Got the old mini bike out, Honda GX31. As you can see, I painted the frame. That's just with some old wood paint. I didn't use a spray can. As you can see, it's a pretty flat looking color. But I rigged up something new. I ain't got the sprocket done yet, but I've been working on it. But I rigged up a new exhaust. Instead of just running this pipe straight into it, I ran a piece of copper pipe. Copper piping goes halfway into the pipe, and then as you can see, I'll demonstrate what it does. Let's set this rock up. You might not be able to see it. Let me just start it up. As you see the flames popping out. Oops, stalled. As you can see the flames popping out the back. That looks pretty cool at nighttime too. But as you see, I got to bump the timing up a little bit more with the idle. The idle a little too low, it stalls. But once I bump the idle up a little bit more, it'll idle good. And you see the flames coming out of that pipe right there. That looks cool. But yep. Like and subscribe.